In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort Pump Live on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing Twitter tracker. They also have a great wallet tracker down here. They have an amazing P&L tracker, and they have a reward system which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. And then they have turbo mode for faster fills. You can set your own presets, you can set your own fees, set a lot of different filters for coins, etc. So again, link down below. Check it out, you will not regret it. So to sort Pump Live, this is actually a new feature. You want to go to Discover over here, click on Pump Live. And then over here, you can sort by either market cap or time. So you can click on MC, which is market cap, and then you can go up or down. And then over here, again, with time, you can go up or down as well. And then this will basically sort your Pump Live on here on Axiom. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.